Hello everyone, this is Professor Kent. Today's recording is chapter 7. Chapter 7 is a big chapter, so we're going to try to do it maybe in 3 videos. So we'll see how it goes. In this chapter, before we do anything, what they're asking you to look for the balance sheet and go and in a profit and loss statement to see if the balances are correct, what is shown. So in order to do that, I just want to do this. So I'm going to go to the reports and I am going to create a profit and loss report from January 1st to July 31st 2026. So I'm going to change the date. The date should be from January 1st to July 31st. So the date, it should be a loss of 3880.39. So that's good. I'm gonna go back. No, I exit without saving. I also wanted to do a balance sheet to check all your numbers. So let's check the balance sheet. Again, the date, ending date should be July 31st 2026. And 3627 1000. This is good. The assets current assets are good. You have your current liabilities. You have, make sure your numbers are correct as similar to mine. If they're not same, go back and check where the mistakes are. So this is correct. Now in this one, what we're gonna do is they said we're doing transactions, so we're going to be doing a lot of transactions. So this is going to be some of the all the chapters that we did previously. So the first thing is they said that Melanie is ramping up the big sale this summer at the store. This week was the sidewalk sale in the town and everything was hoping there were sales throughout the store and big run on the supplies. So we are going to do the transaction for the week number 1. Week 1 is a sales receipt. In order to do that, I will have to go to sales receipt, in other words, and the sales receipt number is 2026 and 2026, and it is, they said to create a new vendor call, new supplier, sorry, new customer called daily sales, and we have to, this is a new one. I will say save it, and what we needed to do is the date should be August 13, and it is the 26th. The year should be 26. And it is undeposited funds, and then it's everyday flowers for 12 of them. So everyday fresh flowers. Everyday flowers. I don't know why it doesn't come up. So the quantity is 12. The price was 45. Actually, it was a bouquet. Everyday flower bouquet. So the quantity is 12. So the amount should be 610.12. So we're good to go. Next one we're going to be doing is an invoice. Of course, we're gonna do save and close. We are gonna go to invoice. The invoice is Jennifer Brown. I hope I have it. If we don't have it, we needed to create it. Jennifer Brown. The invoice date is 1308. Invoice number is 2027. Edit. I will save it. And we are selling. I'm just gonna go here, and it is special. Special occasion bridal flowers. Special occasion bridal. Bridal flowers, and one bouquet for $500. The amount should be $565, and I will do save and close. Next one, we have to do receive payment, and these transactions are on your book, and I'm just going through your book. So this one is H2 Medical, and it is invoice number is 2027. We are receiving payment, and we are receiving payment for 2016. We have to tell which one we're receiving it for, and we are, everything is this supposed to be undeposited funds, and the date is right, and it is a check, and check number is 239. That's the reference for the check number. So make sure your dates are right. Sometimes I make mistakes, so if I make a mistake, I need to go fix them, but when you're doing it, you don't make any mistakes, so you don't need to fix it. You can make a mistake and fix it with me too. We could do that. So we are going to do save and close. Next, we needed to do a bill. Bill number is choose a supplier. It is Flower Grower Corporation, and it is net 30, and this is the date, and the bill number is A175. It is inclusive of taxes. The description will be, the category is flower purchase, purchase and supplies, and the amount is 565, and the so it should be 565. It should look like exactly, so make sure your dates are correct. Next, we are going to do an expense, save and close. We are going to go in an expense. In this case, the payment account is that, the 30, and it is payment method is credit card, and it is for the office expenses. The amount is 205.199, and there is, it's an inclusive, sorry. So it should look like that. So make sure your date is correct, and that's the most important thing, is the date. So let's go to our next one, save. Next one is also an expense, and what did it say? Says, oh, so I have to do inclusive. In this case, it will be just save and new. Okay, next one is for the office team, and we have a TD Visa. We have to pay attention to the dates and the payment time. And this is oh, it came back. In this case, we are not paying for the stamps. This is a memory transaction, and we have to do it for brooms. We got broom, and the amount is 107.55, and it is inclusive. HST is on. $117.55. So make sure our amounts are good. So I don't know why I keep pressing that. So I am going to save, and I am going to, I shouldn't say that, save and new, I should say save and close. The next what we're going to do is we're going to do an invoice. Invoice is for Brian Focus. Let's do that. It is net 15, and the date is for 14/20/26. It is, the invoice number is 28. The service date is, let's do, it is July the 4th. No, sorry, April the 4th. I don't know what they're saying. I'm just trying to look at it so I can see if I'm putting in the right date. Should be day, month, and a year. This should be 0704. And what we did is we got corporate potted weekly, and this is for 12, and the amount is 678. It just is on. We are good to go. So we are gonna do save and close. I am going to go back, and I'm going to in this case we're going to pay the bills. First, let's pay the bills. The first bill, we're paying it out the operating account, and we're doing it on the 26th, and it is August 14. That's my August 14 is my brother's birthday. We're paying the city of Brampton $140, and the check number is good. And we are going to save. You can save and print, or you can do a save and close. I don't want to print it. I'll just say save and close. Next, we have a sales receipt, and it is daily sales. The date is right, so the payment method is a cash, and it is on depositor fund 29. We are doing everyday flowers and fresh flowers. So fresh flowers, okay. And that is, we're doing 6, and for $45 each. Then we are going to do our next one is birthday vases. And that is 2 of them. And we are good to go. This is, the amount should be 474.60. I am good to go. I am going to save and close. Next one we have to do a bill. Bill is for 85 and the bill number is 85 and it is for keeping it cool. Keep it cool. I think it was supposed to be keeping it cool. I have it as cool. Due on receipt, and this is the date. We are good, and it is inclusive of taxes, and we're charging it to repair and maintenance. Repair and maintenance, and we are getting equipment. The amount is 56.50. We have a lot of transactions to do. We are gonna go into HST. And the amount should be 56.50. So we are good to go. Sorry, I'm not feeling too well today, but I'm trying to record it. If I get sick, I won't be able to record anything. I'm going to do save and close. Next, we're receiving a check. And it is a check. The check number is 1028. 1028 and it's special. It's not there. I will just do SPEC. Special event warehouse. The date is that, and we have supplies, and it is in this case it is for bill number C112, and the amount is 412.45. HST is on. The amount should be 412.45. That should be, the amount should be 412.45. So we have done everything that we needed to do. Let's go to save and close. Next, what we have to do is we need to do we're doing the entry every week. So my next one is for the invoice, and the invoice number is 2030. Invoice is Mary Beth Dunham, and they said that there is a credit, so we needed to add this credit I'll just say add so that I don't forget. And my date is 15, it is 14, everything is good. The invoice number is 2030, and what we are going to do is we are going to order special. And it is for wedding arrangement. The amount is for 500. We're good to go. HST is on. The amount you should have is 480.25 after you do that. And then we are going to go save and close. Next one is we have to do a bill. Let's go here and click on the bill, and the bill number is 22026.1, and it is Atlas, ATLAS. I don't have this person. I needed to add Atlas, PLANNING, and I'm gonna add a new, and I will save it. So what we're doing is that 15, it is for the 15. Now we're moving transaction to the 15th, and this is we're paying them for legal and professional services. Expenses, fees, and it is for layout design. The amount is, I'm going to put it here, inclusive. They told us the amount is $150, and HST is on. The amount should be that. We're good to go, and I will save and close. Next, what we're doing is we're doing a sales receipt. I will click on there, and I'm going to do sales receipt. In this case, the sales receipt number is 2031. It is from daily sales. The date is 1508, and it is a direct debit and undeposited funds. We're good to go, and we are going to go to Everyday Flowers, and the how much are we doing? 3 of them. Sorry. And the amount is 45. Quantity is 3. Then we also got special occasion birthday wishes. And 3 of those, and it's a 75. So the total amount should be, oh, I didn't put HST on here. The total amount should be 406. Next, we have to do another sales receipt. I am going to close, save, and new, because I need to stay in here. I have another one from daily sales. The date is 15. Check. Everything is good. In this case, it was a cash, undeposited funds, and it's Everyday Flowers. I need to maybe put the price here because I'm changing it every day. Flowers, and it should, I forgot to put the 45. I think when I entered this in product and service, I didn't put the price. So, but we could do it here because they're telling us which one. I have a sales tax. HST is on. We have every day. In this case, we have to do weekly, but every day's entry they're asking us to do. So next we are going to go to pay some bills. I will say save and close, and I have to pay some bills. Of course, pay some bills. We are paying out of this account. They did not tell me the date of the payment. I am trying to look at it. I am making a payment on the 15th of August. That's what they're asking me to do. August the 15th, and we're paying $250, and check number number should be 1027. That's what they're asking you to do. Mail off the check to pay the Chamber of Commerce dues. So 7. I am going to save and close. Next we have to do expenses. Under the expenses, it is for Easy Media Design, and it is TD Visa, and it is the 15th, 26th, and it is category is promotional, and it is for the amount is $295, and it is inclusive, and HST on. Alright, we are going to save this. I'm going to save and close. The next one is a refund. I will close it. Next one, I have to do a refund receipt, refund receipt, and it is from Linda, LYN, Linda Higgs. It is for the 8th. Payment is a credit card. Refund is from the undeposited funds, and it is for service date doesn't matter. It is Everyday Fresh Flowers, and the amount was, quantity is 1, and it is 45. Rate was 45, and it has HST on. So this is the amount 5085. So so I will do save and close. Now next I have to do a bank deposit. So let's, all right, we said okay. Next I need to do a bank deposit, and for the bank deposit date is the 15th, and the balance is good, so I will pick daily sales and H2, and there was a check. The amount should be 140. I don't know what. So we have a daily sales. The amount was 474. I think I picked up all daily sales. I shouldn't be picking up all daily sales. I picked up a wrong daily sales. Let's see. I have to pick this 474, 406, and I will take this out. I don't know which one. 474, 406, 152, 610. The amount should be 1796, and my date is my amount should be 141,440.75. I think I have some kind of a problem. I will pick this, and I don't have. Now we are right, so make sure you're picking up the right one. 610.20, 203.40, 474.60, and 152.5. I just have to pay. I just have to I just have to like check if I'm doing this right, because I'm going as we go. This is the amount should be 1440.75. So that's the amount. The date is good. I will do save and close. Now we are going to do a transfer, and it is a transfer from our operating account, TD operating to TD Visa, and the date is 15/06, and the amount of the payment is 633. That's what we owe on our Visa, and we are going to be good to go. Make sure your numbers are the way it's showing on my screen. If you have something incorrect, please go back and fix it. Don't move forward, or you have to. We can fix the mistakes together later on for July 2026. Now we are gonna go do another transfer, save, and I'll just do save and new because we're doing a transfer, and this again we are doing it from the operating account to our Renault account, TD Renault, and the amount is 206, because make sure your dates are correct, because otherwise we are going to have issues when we do a bank reconciliation. I will do save and close. Now we needed to do a bank deposit, and on the bank deposit to the operating account, and we're making a deposit on the 20th/08, and it is for these two. My total should be 355.95. That's what they're telling me, and we have everything what we supposed to do. I will do save and close. Now I am going to stop my recording here. I will say save and close, and these the next part I'm going to do this chapter in three goes, because it is a big chapter. It has a lot of transactions, so I am going to start with the next one. Is we are going to be going to a different date, which is August 20th. We're going to do every week's transaction, so next one I have to go to August 20th. Thank you so much for listening. Keep watching. Take care and bye for now.